Okay, next up. I was on vacation and we were a few days camping in Slovakia. This was Lidl in Slovakia, and it's a set of Forstner bits. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's check the quality. So for less than €1 per bit, it was €4 for the complete set. You can see the edges here are quite rough, but they could work. Let's compare it to my more expensive one. So this is the side by side. Let's take the same size here. It was like 30 millimeters. Yes. Yeah. Okay, there might be a slight quality difference. Guess which one is which. So okay, so this here costs like €10 or more, I can't remember, and this one here is for like 80 cents. Let's try if we can see a difference when using them. Okay, this is a leftover, a cutout from the self-driving car project. Does it even fit? It doesn't fit. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's take my Makita again. So, quality bit first. Oh. Quite loud, I need my protection. Okay. Now the other one. It has a smaller shaft here, or thinner shaft, let's say. Okay. Okay. I can't even. What the fuck? Oh, start already. Oh. Fuck. Okay, oh, this is a piece of junk. And these are the worst bits I ever had. Okay, I show you the problem. So the hole probably is okay. They are not sharp at all. So compared to these here, I could really cut myself on these edges here of the expensive ones, and these here are really dull. I will zoom in so you can see what the problem with these bits is here. Here, very sharp edge. So this is the quality bit, and here this edge you can see. Probably, hopefully, you can see it. It's quite flat even. So, and this one is even flatter. So, show close up here. Can you see this? This edge, this cutting edge, is flat, and this one as well. And the biggest problem with this bit is here. This nail tip here is way too long, way too large. I can't get with the cutting edge to the wood because of this dull nail here. So let's compare it to the other bit. Do you see the size difference here? The size difference is huge. Okay. And here you can see the cutting edge of the good bit. So I guess I will stock up on the good quality ones here. And meanwhile, this crap, I don't know, maybe I should grind this huge nail in the middle off with my angle grinder and use them whenever I obviously will buy these here one by one whenever I need one, but if I don't have it yet, I will use these cheap ones here. So, or if I want to drill holes in boards with nails in it or something, so that's okay to use these here. They can't get duller than this already. So maybe I can sharpen this. So there's still work to do to make them usable at all, I think. So okay. Yeah, that's a difference. I had to use really much force to get until this point here. Okay, that's all for today. And see you next time. Bye.